tryna ball like a walk-on. I love you when them heels get your walk on. You going off, but you walk on. And shorty, I cherish the ground you walk on. You with your girls yelling, squad goals. I'm with the gang yelling, squad goals. And we gon' make a movie, call it squad goals. Me and you for forever, now that's squad goals.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's Brittany's Closet. It's your girl, Brittany. I know I have been MIA for like weeks. I'm sorry. For those of you that care, I hope you all care. I've been busy. I've been doing my apartment and like renovating. I air quote renovating because it's not like I'm tearing up the floors or anything, but I'm just like changing things. I think I said this in my last video. I feel like I said it exactly like this in the last video. But yeah, so my roommate moved out, and so it's just me and all my awesomeness in this apartment. So I'm turning it into Brittany world, whatever that world is. So yeah, that's what I've been busy doing, and then working, of course. So it's kind of hard to juggle trying to change things up in your apartment, and then, you know, working, and then trying to create content. Nobody tells you, they probably do tell you, but YouTube is hard. Like, it's really hard to be consistent with it. So yeah, I'm trying to be better. I actually posted this, I actually created this video, this intro before, but I felt like I should just do a completely new intro because it's been so long since the initial intro. So I wanted to give you guys a glimpse of the apartment, how it's coming along as of now, and then I'll continue to like do some posts for things that I've been doing to the apartment as time goes on. So I just wanted to show you guys where it's at right now. We are jumping into, instead of my closet, we're jumping into my apartment world right now, and my little design my designing journey that I am currently going through. But it's been an interesting ride as of now. I'm still like in a state of feeling kind of shocked that I live alone officially. Like, I'm still taking it in. Like, it still feels weird, but it shouldn't feel weird because it's been a while. But I don't know, do I have any other single people watching, like single and you live by yourself? If you do, let me know how you feel about, you know, living alone. I like the space. Like, that's my number one thing. I like being alone. I like coming home to like the quiet and just being able to just do me at all hours of the day in my own space. As you can see, I got my like pink couch in the back, or my pink couch cover. But yeah, let me stop rambling so I can show you guys what it's looking like right now. I hope you like it. Let's get into it. Boom. So I wanted to give you guys a view of my apartment, well, the living room, just so you can see how it looks right now before I get into really building the new pieces and changing everything out. So this is my couch. I'm gonna get a different couch. I want a pink couch actually. So I'm gonna replace this because you can see the cats have scratched up the sides. So we gotta go. Coffee table has all this wear and tear, so it also gotta go. This is the computer desk. I don't know if I want to get a new one as of now or change out the color, like sand it down and paint it another color. A side drawer, gonna get rid of that. The TV stand, I'm gonna get rid of that and all the games inside. My kitties, this is baby cat and Cuddles, enjoying their best lives on top of soon to be built furniture boxes. There's a bookshelf right here. It was my grandmother's, and it's all her cookbooks, and I wanted to obviously keep those. So I'm gonna have another bookshelf, put all those in there. This is my makeshift bar because I have a deep freezer underneath it. So I don't want to throw that out. So I'm gonna keep that here and figure out a way to build a new bar system that can go on top of it, but still kind of make this blend in with the space. I'm gonna put something else other than my little dollar store tablecloth over it. Here's the dining table. I'm also trying to decide, if I want to sand it down and paint it and get a new dining table. I know I'm gonna get different chairs. My mom's gonna give me her chairs, or I might just get some other ones, but that's how that looks as of now. And this is the walkway leading into the apartment. So this is my living room. I know y'all can hear my squeaky floors. I'm so sorry. It just, I don't know, it squeaks all the time.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. And the dark's all that I see when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see all blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the time. I can't find the point where to pass the line, but you're the night sky. I'm trying to see your stars, but I've always feared the dark. Now I see violet, I can feel your silence. You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me was sold. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear. Is it bad? Sometimes I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light today, but I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away. Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering how the world keeps on spinning, kinda scared of living when it unfolds. Hard to see the light when everything is silent, waiting for the clear. Thankful I'm alive, but terrified of dying. But hey, I'm still here. Is it bad? Sometimes I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light today, but I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away. So I'm sitting here. Thought I heard my phone ring, but it disappeared. Guess I'm just losing my mind again. I tell myself to breathe in, but the darkness sung its teeth in, and its mind has got me thinking. Sick and tired of feeling, so sick and tired of dreaming, 'cause I always wake up. Sick and tired of believing
Alright, so I wanted to give you guys kind of like a fuller view of how my living room looks. So I'm standing kind of like in my hallway area, just so you can see a full look at the living room. This is my very comfortable lazy cat chilling. So this is my little makeshift bar. So I have a deep freezer under here, and I didn't want to throw the deep freezer away because you just never know when you'll need it. So I just kind of put my sequins cloth over it, and I wanted to get a stand, like one of those bar stands, to put on top of here so I can kind of nicely sort the bottles. But for now, this is what it is. And then want to get some picture frames to frame all of the little images that I have, the prints of the different types of cocktails and drinks. These were actually my grandmother's that I found when I moved in, and I kept them because I was like, at one point, at some time, I'm gonna end up using them. So look at that, the time is now. My dining room table, I actually want to sand it down and like paint it white maybe, because I'm not really feeling the brown with like the kind of color scheme I'm going for. Maybe spray painted gold, I don't know. The chairs were my mom's and she just gave them to me. I was going to dye them pink, but I kind of feel the floral doesn't go anymore, so I think I might just get rid of them, or maybe get some chair covers, but we'll see. This is my wall of DIY art, as I like to call it. So it's a couple of pictures that my friends, family made doing like paint and sips and stuff. This one I found on the street, but I thought it was really nice, so I took it home. So that's my little wall here. That middle picture I got from Burlington's, and I said it was specifically made for me because I really feel like she looks like me, and that's my whole aesthetic and vibe, even down to the sequin cup. So yeah, and she got my shade of lipstick on that I be wearing. Super awesome gold coffee table with my little white fur rug. This is actually a couch cover. I don't know if you guys ever noticed in my previous videos, I usually try to like pan in closer so you wouldn't see the corners of the armrest, but the cats scratched them up terribly. So I plan to get a pink couch, but for now I got couch covers to cover it up and kind of give me the feel of how it would look if I got the pink couch. So since I can see how it would look, I definitely for sure want to go through with getting a pink couch for the apartment. I got my kitty her own little cat bed, but she refuses to sleep on it, as you can see. She prefers the floor and cardboard boxes, but one day hopefully she will get on it, right? She's like, no. I swapped out my curtains that I had in here. I think they were brown, and I put white because I felt like the white would kind of open up the space more with lighting, which I really feel like it did. Got me a standing lamp. I want to either get rid of this computer desk. I want to get rid of this computer desk and go with possibly a white one. This is my bookshelf. Right now it's just a lot of cookbooks that my grandmother gave me. Don't mind my weight, so I didn't put those somewhere. I'm always working out here. I got the bookshelf from Wayfair. I actually got the coffee table from Wayfair too. And I got the TV stand from Wayfair too. I was going with a gold aesthetic. This one is more bronzy than gold, but I feel like nobody really would notice. Maybe you can notice. But it's not like drastic, so I wasn't too mad about it. And it kind of has like a marble look on the surface of the shelves. I have other books that are my mom's, so I plan to pick those up at some point and bring them over, put them on my shelf. And here is my TV stand, super cute. And all the games at the bottom. So yeah, this is the living room as of now, what I have accomplished. So still more work to be done, but I'm liking how it's looking right now. Still trying to get a feel of what else I want to add out here. So my closet is up next on things to tackle in the apartment. This is literally a closet full of things that like my grandmother had before she passed away that I had planned to sell but just didn't. So I think most of it I'm just gonna toss at this point. Whew. So I think I'm gonna start with the shoes because I feel like everything on this side, if I open it, I feel like it's just gonna fall out. So yeah, we're gonna start with the shoes and we're gonna see how it goes. The closet is officially empty. Got rid of everything, mopped it. Crazy. I've been here for what, like 4 years, and I've never gotten to see this empty. Like I've never used this closet because it was always full. So changes. So now this is my next area to tackle. Probably get rid of this little cat house because she doesn't really use it. And then I gotta get up here and go through these bags because I honestly don't know what's in any of them. And they've been up there for like 2 years. So this is how the hallway looks right now. I want to get rid of this trash can and get a white one. I had some cat like toys, a little cat tower scratch post thing over here, but I took that out and the other litter box, so it's just an empty space right here. I don't really know what I want to put in this area, but gotta put something because it's looking a little empty. And I gotta get up in here, go through these bags and get rid of a bunch of stuff. All right, y'all, so this is the room that I will be turning into my like sewing area, extra closet space. Sorry if I sound a little raspy, it's really early in the morning. I just woke up. But yeah, my cousin finally moved out. So this was his room before. So I'm gonna be taking the extra room and giving myself this very much needed extra space. I don't know what color I'm gonna paint it yet, but yeah, this is the space I'm excited. I'm excited. The mirror, he left me 2 little panels to put up here because he didn't finish it when he was putting it up. And I can't really take it off right now because he used Gorilla Glue. And then I was gonna like peel off the paint and stuff. So I'm just not in the mood to deal with that right now. So it's just gonna stay. And I'm just gonna fill those 2 spots in. Excited. More room space, very much needed because I have like no more space for anything in my room. I have too much stuff, so I need this. I need all of this. This is the closet. I'm gonna put like my costume dresses in here, like my fancy dresses. So this is awesome. Da-dun-dun-dun-dun is my little fashion recording walk-in closet, nail area, everything in one basically. So I turned the empty room into like a workspace room for me, and I just have a lot of stuff and it couldn't all fit in my room. So like everything that I just felt like didn't belong in my room or could go somewhere else, I put in here. So I have all my sewing stuff in here, my sketchbook stuff. I made myself a little purse bag area because I had all these bags and like a disposable type of bag. So I thought it would be better to just kind of be displayed. My ring light is usually over here, and then my tripod stand, my mannequin. I need to get some curtains to put in here because it's just open, wide space. And then here is this massive mirror that my cousin had, and I just left it up because it just makes sense. And then little me. So I'm liking how things are coming along. Oh, let me show you guys inside the closet too. And I decided for the closet to be where I'm gonna put all my like costumes and my going out dresses. And then of course like my shoes and stuff, my heels, boots, and all my regular everyday stuff is in my room in the closet. So I still got more stuff to put in the closet and sort through to put in here. But we are getting here. We're getting there. Kitty, you're gonna be locked in the closet. Hello. Okay, she'll come out when she wants to come out. I still need to paint the room. So I possibly might do that this weekend, and then I'll record the process of how it goes and everything. But I'm loving how things are coming out so far. Thank you for tuning in with me and for joining today. Look, my face looks crazy. Let me know what you guys think so far. If you've got any ideas of what you think I should add to the apartment, let me know. We're on this journey together. So tune in next time. I'm trying to be more frequent with these posts, so we get in there. But yeah, thank you guys. Hope you like how my apartment's coming. Living single in the city.
I'm tryna ball like a walk-on. I love you when them heels get your walk on. You going off, but you walk on. And shorty, I cherish the ground you walk on. You with your girls yelling squad goals. I'm with the gang yelling squad goals. And we gon' make a movie, call it squad goals. Me and you for forever, now that's squad goals.